There's the shooter.
I can see all those targets in my scope now.
Alright, and here are the targets.
Okay, you call.
Middle rabbit. Top rabbit. Fox's head.
Did I hit that?
Yeah. Bottom rabbit. Fox's arse. Top rabbit's head. Good shot.
Neck, I got me, sorry.
Middle rabbit. Bottom rabbit again. Headshot. Go again, same hold. I can see the hits on the camera, it's brilliant. Go on, make it fall over.
Out of bullets.
Alright, reload.
Reload.
And that was officially for between what, 114 and 120 yards.
Okay, I'm going to shoot again, 5 rounds, rapid.
Whoa, hold on now, I'll zoom in.
Bottom rabbit.
Bottom rabbit, go.
Miss.
Hit. Hit. Hit.
5 rounds out.
Excellent. Good shooting. Great shooting.